Hello, friends. Welcome to yet another episode of weekly review of Pulse of the stock market. Normally, in this review, we review on the primary index, how they perform in the previous week, and what we can expect in the subsequent week. So let me share my screen, and before we see the index, first the standard disclosures. This is the SEBI standard disclosure. I hope my screen is visible. Can you just confirm? Yes. So this is a standard SEBI disclosure. Like, this video is primarily for education purpose only. There is no specific recommendation, and we expect, video watchers to actually do their own research before making any investing decisions. So this is purely for education purpose, and we are not the SEBI registered investment advisor. All right, please go through the full disclaimer. Now let me share the trading view screen where we can see the primary index. So the first and foremost is the Nifty. So if we see the previous week, so Nifty in the last, the 5 days, it is trying to recover the lost ground, though it is still slightly, below the, what you can say, the earlier peak, which has happened on 1st of August, right? But still, there's no need to worry, and we should wait for this gap to fill in before we take our final call. But it is still on the recovery path, right? Then if we see CNX mid cap index, so the mid cap actually in last 5 days has recovered very fast. So the action is there, but still until it crosses the earlier peak, which was on 1st of August, we should, wait and watch. That is what our strategy. Maybe there are some pockets where the recovery is faster, so we should actually concentrate on that. But maybe we can wait for another week how the index moves, right? And when we see the small cap index, I guess similar situation. Yes. So day before yesterday, means on the Thursday, it tried to, cross the last resistance, which was the earlier peak also on 31st July. But again, it, retreated. So we still have small gap, from the earlier peak. So again, the suggestion is that it has recovered very fast, but we should wait for the last resistance to cross. So next week, the strategy is to wait and watch and see how, whether all these indexes, they're able to cross the previous all-time high as a resistance, or they again, went back, right? So that is for the primary index. Let's see the India volatility index, which shows, what is the fear factor in the market. So if you see the last 5 days, it has drastically only on the reduction side. So it's in a very, very comfortable range. So this shows that there is no specific fear in the market. The only thing is, it is wait and watch situation. It is, the market is basically looking for directions. Maybe there are some small pockets where, the accumulation is happening, but largely the market is on wait and watch mode. So that's all for this week. And if you really wanted to learn how to interpret these charts and, refine your investing strategy specific to the stock market, you can follow me on hashtag Sunil Gupta 95 and register for my next, masterclass, to gain more insights. And links are in the bio and below the video. We look forward for, in my masterclass. Till my next video, take care. Goodbye.